folks. Today, we will hunt a deer. The Forest Council doesn't know about it.
Where you are going, fools! Go dig a trap for deer hunting. He is lazy as fuck. Turn today using this lazy bastard to dig up hole. Folks, don't tell the Forest Council. Otherwise, we will be canceled out. We need to use small wooden roots for the trap overlay.
A panda out there, we can't let him find our plan.
Hey buddy, a fresh shipment of bamboo fell down the next valley. Look how that fool is running. That's enough, buddy. Use this branch to cover the top of Big Hole. All right, let's go, and we hope to see a deer by tomorrow. Hey folks, right now we are at the festival. It's a traditional winter festival. So fam, the reason I'm here, because I heard there's a winter festival deep in the frozen woods. Free hot cocoa, ice drums, and maybe dancing reindeers. So obviously, I had to come. Yo, these folks got serious cosplay game.
Free cocoa. Okay, I'm starting to like this. Bro, why does it taste like thunder?
Well, folks, look, this is our traditional dancing. Guys, it's time to see the trap if we got anything. The Forest Council said to not eat any animal, but who listens?
It's natural, right?
Here's our trap. Oh! We got a deer! Come on, baby. Today, you will be our breakfast. Now we are going to Riverside. Whew. For, you know? Let's use human Muslim style. Bismillah. We got the sauce from a human tent at the roadside. The humans ran away from the tent when they saw me and Yeti. All right, baby, it should be tasty. We got the sweet berry glaze and the spicy swamp fire. You gotta layer that flavor just right. Don't be shy, last time I used this much, the bear cried. Yummy. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, please support us with the subscribe button below the video. Comment below, how do you feel? Or maybe about next video. Also share with your friends.